So guys, here you can see one more DSA video has been came on this channel, and in today's DSA video I am telling you about the how to short an array in waveform, and this is our part 8 on our DSA series. Okay, this is part 8. So now get ready for this part 8. In this part I am telling you about what is the sort an array in a waveform, and this is part 8 on this channel on about the array. So now let's move to the computer screen, and now let's do a coding with Loping. Guys, here you can see one more timing came on the DSA, and in today's DSA video I am telling you about a short an array in a waveform. So I know many so now let's explain it, and this is our part 8 on our array series. Okay, so let's start without wasting any time, and I'll talk about how to sort an array in a waveform. Given an unsorted array of integers, is sort the array into a wave array. An array ARR square bracket 0 dot dot n minus 1 is sorted in wave form if ARR square bracket 0 greater than equals to ARR square bracket 1 less than equals to ARR square bracket 2 greater than equals to ARR square bracket 3 less than equals to ARR square bracket 4 greater than equals to. So the output will become so now the input ARR square brackets equals to 10, 5, 6, 3, 2, 20, 180. The output will become 10, 5, 6, 2, 20, 380. Okay. Why? Here you can see 10, 5, 6, 2, 20, 380. First element is larger than the second, and the same thing is repeated again and again. Large element, small element, large element, small element, and so on. It can be small element, larger element, small element, large element, small element too. All you need to maintain is the up on fashion or down fashion, which represents a wave. There can be multiple answers. Like if you give this type of an input like ARR square bracket 20, 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, 2 should give you the output 20, 8, 10, 4, 6, 2 means it is giving the answer in the greatest to smaller. Here you can see larger to smaller. Okay, here you can see it. Naive approach sorting O and log n and time and 0 1 space. Our idea is to use sorting. First, sort the input array, then swap all adjacent elements. Follow the steps mentioned below to implement the idea. First, sort the array. Number 2, traverse the array from index 0 to n minus 1 and increase the value of the index by 2. While traversing the array, swap array square brackets I with array square brackets I plus 1. And this one code has been given me, so let's run this code. And this one code in the C++, so let's run this. And the output will give me 2, 1, 10, 5, 49, 23 and 90. So let me show you. Come on to the Google, search here Replit, in which we write our in which we create a file of the C++ and in which we write our codes. So it is taking a loading. So when I take a loading, so let me open my C++ file. And if you do not log in the in the Replit, so first of all log in it and click on the create a REPL, then create a REPL. Okay, so let me open my C++ and let me count in AI assistant and let me say remove the numbers till 1 till 29. Okay, and let me write here my name. Let me write here my name, Ryan B. Now enter. So now it take a little bit time to give you the output. So let's wait it. So it has been giving me the output. So here you can see it. So let me insert it. So now my code has been inserted here. So now when I run it, so now it is giving me the error. Which type of error? Let me see. Okay. Okay, now it not giving me the error. So now let's run this. So here you can see it is giving me 2, 1, 10, 5, 49, 23 and 90. Here you can see why? Because in my array I write it 10, 90, 49, 2, 1, 5, 23, but why it is giving me 2, 1, 10, 9, 49, 23 and 90. Okay, why? Like I have explained you here, expected approach 0 and time and 0 1 space. The idea is based on the fact that if we make sure that all even positioned at index 0 to 4 0 to 4 elements are greater than their adjacent odd elements, we don't need to worry about oddly positioned elements. Follow the steps mentioned below to implement the idea. First, traverse all even positioned elements of the input array and do the following. First, if the current element is smaller than the previous odd element, swap the previous and current. Then, if the current element is smaller than the next odd element, swap the next and current. Now, below is an implementation of the above approach. So, let's implement it. So, here you can see it. And this one code it has been given me. It gives the output 9T 10 49 1523. Okay, let me show you. Let me copy this code and let me say come on in my here and let me come on my AI assistant and let me say remove numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. Okay, so when I write this all the numbers, now it had been starting to remove all the numbers. When it had been removed all the numbers, then we will paste this code in our file of our C++. Okay, so now it take a little bit time. So AI is very helpful for us because it helps in many ways. Okay, so now it is giving me the error, which type of error. So now let's paste it. Now it not give me the error. So it is giving me the output 90 10 49 15 23 23. It is giving me the output in the odd. First of all, this function sorts array, okay, in waveform. For example, ARR square bracket 0 greater than equals to. Then ARR means array square bracket I less than equals to array square bracket 2 greater than equal to array square bracket 3 less than equals to array 4 greater than equals to array 5. So then in the 9 line here we traverse over all even elements. Then in the 12 to 13 line here agar our current even element is smaller than previous. Then in our 16 and 17 line if a current even element is smaller than next. Then in the 22 till 30 line, here we drive our program to test the above function. Here I drive 10, 90, 49, 2, 1, 5, 23, but it is giving me the output 9, 10, 49, 1, 5, 2, 3 because it is giving me the output in the odd form. Okay, so this one thing, and I have already told you the explanation of this question in the above here. Okay, I have already explained you. So this video has been ended, and in today's video I told you about how to sort an array in a waveform. Here we sort our in today's video we sort our array in a waveform. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss about these type of videos on the DSA. And this part 8 has been also been ended on about array very successfully. Yes, so let's wait it for our part 9 of the array. Okay, so let's wait it, and then when you do this all the time, come on to my channel by the name of Code with PK, like you all know. So come on to my channel. Then when you come on to my channel, please complete 9,100 subscriber on my channel. Okay, and then see my all the videos, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Okay, and we are uploading 30 minutes video, but I am come on to 12 minutes. Okay, because I am uploading videos on other channels. Okay, so come on to the data structure deep dive tab, crack the code playlist. First of all, bookmark this playlist and see my all the videos on it. We uploaded 9 videos successfully, yes, on this playlist, and complete the 100 views on this playlist. You completed 19 views, so go on with 100. Okay, and see all the videos from first to end. Okay, so now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen, and now let me give the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's move toward onto the big screen, and now let's give the outro of this beautiful, amazing, and very good video. So let's move to a big screen and let's give the outro of this video. That's brought the end of arrays part 6. Look at you, smarter, stronger, and probably ready to solve more problems than your internet provider's tech support. If today's session made arrays less scary and lot of more fun, Show some love with a like and but subscribe, maybe share it with that one friend who still thinks array is just a typo for arrays officials. Got questions, suggestions, or just want to share your array success stories? Drop them in the comments below. I promise I will read them all faster than an optimized algorithm. Until next time, keep coding, keep laughing, and remember, life is like an array. It's all about the right indices. Catch you in the next one. So now, I meet you in the next class. So now for today, goodbye.